Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a few days I have not been posting, but today we are back with this beautiful matte smoky eye look. This eye look is so pretty that it will suit any face, any skin tone, any eyes. So let's quickly get started. So I am going in with dark brown eyeshadow on my lid using a flat brush. I've already done the base with concealer and setting powder, and then I'm just packing the brown shadow all over my lid. You can see I haven't used any shimmer in this look because this look is so perfect, like you don't need shimmer. Once I've packed the brown shade, I am going to take another fluffy blending brush and I'm going in with lighter brown shade over the dark brown shade to soften the edges. Now as you go up towards your brow bone, the colors go lighter. That's why I have taken a transition shade lighter brown to blend my crease area. Then I'm going in with light pink on top of light brown to make sure I get that pink hue in my eye look. If you want, you can use yellow undertones as well, but I love pink, so I'm going in with pink. Then with a white matte eyeshadow, I'm highlighting my brow bone. It gives a nice neat look. And then I'm going in with champagne shimmer shade or a white shimmer shade in my inner corner, tear duct area and inner lid as well. This way my eyes will look whiter and open. It won't look as if I'm tired, because especially with smoky eye looks, sometimes you feel you look exhausted, so this really helps. After packing the white shimmer shade, I am going in with light pink shade again in my lower lid to blend that lighter shade and to give that nice pinky hue in my lower lid. If you want, you can use browns as well. And then I'm going in with Essence Coal in my waterline, and if you want, you can use nude as well, but I am using black because I'm going in with black eyeshadow as well on an angled brush and creating a liner with eyeshadow. Doing the liner with eyeshadow really soften the eye looks. If you go with a liquid liner, it will be a bit harsh, so I prefer to do it with eyeshadow. And then I'm going in with Telescopic Lift Mascara from L'Oreal, adding some lashes. I hope you love this video. If you do love, then subscribe to my channel and I will see you in next video.